everyone, it's Monica from Mon's Paper Crafts. I'm just here quickly just to walk you through a card that I've made for my mum's 80th birthday, which is tomorrow, the 24th of July. She is turning 80, which is a really special birthday, and she did not want 80 on her card. So I honoured that and did not do that. But she does love Victorian ladies and vintage style cards. That's why I've made this one here. So I've just put on the corners here are the metal book corners, put on the books, and I've just gold embossed to have a beautiful birthday. And this one here is just some lace and some fabric flowers on there. And on the inside, I've just cut out Celebrate with almost clear vellum, and just some vintage photos here and a bit of stamping. And I've made this into a loaded type envelope. I'm not too sure if you've heard of them, but in America they're quite popular, where people make lots of different style envelopes with all different pockets. This one's just a single simple pocket, but I did make the envelope to match the card, so it's made out of the same paper, the paper stack, and I've just added a Velcro dot there just to close that up, so you've got double-sided paper there. And with this here, it's just a doily which I sponged in the Ranger Vintage Photo ink, and I've just cut out a gold glitter doily underneath there. Then here is a rosette that I made out of vellum, and I just put some little miniature sequins underneath that. It's just a tiny little gold dot underneath there, so I could attach the bow which I cut out and put that on there. And then I've just made this pocket out of vellum. I just got an A4 sheet of vellum, folded in half, glued the sides down inside, and then I've just covered it all with gold washi tape just to give it that really Victorian look. And then what I am going to do is fill it up with some little goodies, as my mum does crafts. I'm just going to put some dimensionals in there. Some of this stuff has retired, like these little doilies, but we still use them. Some little diamantes and some pearls and some linen lace. It's not linen thread. That's all I'm actually going to pop in there because I don't want the bag to rip open and break. I also do have some Tombow glue to give, but I'll be giving that separate. So that's what the bag looks like. And I have not written in the card as yet, so when I've done that, then I'll pop the card in like that very carefully so it doesn't squash the ribbon too much. So I'll probably do that tomorrow so that it's not in the envelope for too long, because she will take it out. But I know that I have made these before and she's absolutely loved them, so I'm sure she'll be thrilled. Anyway, if any of you would like to make one with me, I can certainly do a video and we can make the card with the pocket envelope together. Just put down below, just leave a comment and I'll be happy to do that. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you'd like to see my future videos, and hit the little bell beside it. And I'll be back soon. So have a fabulous week and I'll speak with you soon. Bye for now.